We are gathered here today to celebrate the unwavering commitment of Rotary Club of Malolos Iyas and its dedicated members to the noble cause of service above self. This theme encapsulates the very essence of Rotary's mission, which is to bring hope and positive change to communities near and far. As we embark on this new Rotary year, we are filled with optimism and determination to make a lasting impact. Our incoming officers who will steer the ship, bring fresh ideas, and infuse our organization with renewed energy are ready to lead us forward.
When I think of Rotary and the men and women behind it, I was the one who was inspired in the process, I repeat. Naniniwala ako na lahat tayo ay may isang hangarin, ang pagbuklodin ang ating mamamayan at kumilos upang lumikha ng pagbabago sa ating lipunan.
May nagsabi po sa akin, yung charter president po ng HIAS, i-dedicate mo lang ang bawat project na gagawin mo para sa family mo, and the rest will go well.
In the past few years, the Rotary has been emphasizing and working towards equality. It is high time that we become champion of all genders and promote equality among all citizens, especially the women.
This energy is a mystery, made a wonder. You never know when it's gonna make your heart go boom, 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 boom. Oh, I feel it. It's a thrill that's buzzing in my fingertips. I feel it. I feel it. Chasing the unknown. Wherever it may take us, wherever it may lead. Chasing the unknown. Follow the horizon, follow your heartbeat. Chasing the unknown.
Creating meaningful and genuine friendships while rendering service above self. That if we only keep these things in mind and heart as our reasons for becoming a Rotarian, nothing, no one, nobody can put this great and phenomenal club down. Tama po ba?
Wherever it may take us, wherever it may lead. Chasing the unknown. Follow the
dies the last. Huwag po tayong mawala ng pag-asa sa laban natin sa magandang bukas. One day at a time in our own little ways. Sabi nga nila, pagka ikaw ay isang Rotarian, laging dapat may puso dahil doon nagsisimula ang pag-asa.
Talaga pong sobrang pasasalamat ko at feel ko po ang suporta ng bawat isang member po namin.
Wherever it may take us, wherever it may lead, chasing the unknown. Follow the horizon, follow your heartbeat, chasing the unknown. Chasing the unknown. Chasing the unknown.
I now call the 24th installation of officers and induction of new members to order.
Teach me to be generous. Teach me to serve you as I should. To give and not to count the cost. To fight and not to heed the wounds. To toil and not to seek for rest. To labor and ask not for reward. Save that of knowing that I do your most holy way. Yes, Lord, teach me to be generous. Teach me to serve you as I should. To give and not to count the cost. To fight and not to heed the wounds. To toil and not to seek for rest. To labor and ask not for reward. Save that of knowing that I do your most holy way. The four-way test of the things we think, say, or do. First, is it the truth? Second, is it fair to all concerned? Third, will it build goodwill and better friendships? Fourth, will it be beneficial to all concerned?
stars. I'm gonna give you my heart, 'cause you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars, 'cause you light up the park. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. 'Cause in the sky, 'cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you. Cause you're a sky full of stars. I wanna die in your arms. Cause you get lighter the more it gets dark. I'm gonna give you my heart. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. 'Cause said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, ooh, shut up and dance. Don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me.
We are gathered here today to celebrate the unwavering commitment of Rotary Club of Malolos Iyas and its dedicated members to the noble cause of service above self. This theme encapsulates the very essence of Rotary's mission, which is to bring hope and positive change to communities near and far. As we embark on this new Rotary year, we are filled with optimism and determination to make a lasting impact. Our incoming officers who will steer the ship, bring fresh ideas, and infuse our organization with renewed energy are ready to lead us forward. Moreover, we extend a warm welcome to our new members whose dedication to service has inspired them to join us in this journey of creating hope. Together, we will strive to uphold Rotary's core values and channel to collective efforts toward projects that will uplift lives, foster goodwill, and illuminate the world with the light of hope. In the spirit of Rotary, let us continue to build bridges, foster friendships, and make a difference in the lives of those in need. We thank you for your presence here today and for your unwavering commitment to the Rotary ideal. Together, let us embark on this new Rotary year with hope as our guiding star. Welcome, one and all, to the beginning of remarkable journey towards creating hope in the world. Good evening.
I still vividly recall that my first encounter with her dates back to 1980 lang naman po. Teenager pa po ako noon at ang special guest natin marahil ay single digit pa lang ang edad. We were both students of the Immaculata Academy of Malolos, now known as the Holy Spirit Academy of Malolos. She was in elementary, I was fourth year high school. Giveaway na po dyan kung gaano ang tanda ko sa kanya. She and her younger sister were also tapped to be one of the students to perform during the annual cultural presentation of the school entitled Handog. I would see the sisters during the rehearsals. My recollection of her is that of a very sweet but reserved and timid little girl, which is a complete opposite of what she has become. Sweet ka pa rin, Kong Rida, up to now, but definitely not timid. Perhaps because she was still very young then and was still going through the process of discovering her strengths. Years passed, and the next I heard about her came from her very own father, the late Dick Perez, who was known to his contemporaries in Rotary as a very loyal and dedicated Rotarian, and had served as president of the now-defunct Rotary Club of Bustos, Bulacan for a number of times. Her father was beaming with pride when he spoke about her. And I was glad to learn from him that she was already a successful businesswoman and happily married to Arturo Robes, who is presently the mayor of the city of San Jose del Monte. Mayor Robes was himself carving a name in the political arena in the city of San Jose del Monte, and he would later become the congressman for the city. From being a successful businesswoman, Congressman Rita gained recognition and support as a notable public servant. In 2016, with fervor and unrelenting desire to uplift the lives of her constituents and to continue the legacy of her husband, initiated while the latter was himself a congressman, she ran for and was elected as representative for the city of San Jose del Monte. She must have served muy excelente during her stint on her first term from 2016 to 2019 that she got re-elected for a second term, and she is now on her third term of office. As chairperson of the Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability, Congressman Rita is staunchly pursuing her vision of a stronger Philippine Republic and improving public service through good governance. She also advocates mental health awareness by spearheading the movement called One Like for Life, which caters to the needs of individuals suffering from depression. Congressman Rita is and has been embracing the limelight of late for making significant waves in the House of Representatives. Only recently, she was recognized by the RP Mission and Development Foundation, Inc. as the top one in Central Luzon for the Best Performing District Representative category. This is on top of the many other awards she garnered from the time she was elected up to the present, among which are Congresswoman of the Year by National Builders Award and 2021 Saludo Excellence Award for Humanitarian and Leadership Service. Evidently, that timid and reserved child that I was talking about earlier has evolved big time. She can be likened to a pupa which has metamorphosed into a beautiful and colorful butterfly whose wings enabled her to soar high. She not only endeavored to gain success in her private life, but chose to come out of her comfort zone and spread the color of her wings by living the life which we Rotarians consistently chant, that is, to be of service above self. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and privilege to present to you the Honorable Florida Rida Perez Robes.
Good evening, everyone. Bigyan po muli natin ng malakas at masibagong palakpakan ang lahat ng magagandang dilag ngayong gabi. Palakpakan naman po natin. And of course, ang ating mga bisita na kasama niyo po ngayong gabi, you all walk like a model. Parang pang PMAP, sabi nga nila. Ang mga bagong officers ng Rotary Club of Malolos, HIAS at ang mga bagong Rotarians. I would like to congratulate you all, especially the President, Maridet Dechi M. Valenton, for taking a brave leap in leading his esteemed organization of ladies and gentlemen who are relentless in their efforts in making our world a better place. You've got a very good voice, especially for your children. Also not to be missed in the recognition of dynamic leadership of outgoing officers spearheaded by President Maria Cristina Buchik Santos, Judge. Magandang gabi po. When I received the invitation to be one of your guest speaker, I searched for words that would inspire our dear Rotarians of Malolos HIAS. It also reminded me of Ate Beth Alonso, who happens to be my cousin and very proud to be part of your organization. When I think of Rotary and the men and women behind it, I was the one who is inspired in the process. I repeat. As chairperson of the House of Committee of Good Government and Public Accountability, the counterpart of the Blue Ribbon in the Senate, and the former chairperson of the Committee on People's Participation, I recognize the vital role of civic organizations like the Rotary Club in the framework of good governance. Naniniwala ako na lahat tayo ay may iisang hangarin, ang pagbuklodin ang ating mamamayan at kumilos upang lumikha ng pagbabago sa ating lipunan. And it starts with creating hope, one day at a time, in our own little ways. Sabi nga nila, pagka ikaw ay isang Rotarian, laging dapat may puso dahil doon nagsisimula ang pag-asa. Sa nagdaan na 3 taon, tumaas ang depresyon at suicide sa ating bansa. These were the symptoms of a society carrying the weight of personal and societal problems, aggravated by the uncertainty brought about by a pandemic. At alam ko, ang kapwa Rotarians o ang mga Rotarians pong nandito ngayon ay very sensitive sa ganitong mga issues. Sa aking pag-ikot, nakita ko ang hirap at lumbay sa mga mata ng aking mga constituents. I felt their feelings of helplessness and hopelessness. This inspired me to create programs for our fellow San Joseños feel and believe that there is still hope. To name a few, our judge have mentioned it a while ago, Judge Biday, One Life for Life, Alagang Ate Rida, and Tindahan ni Maria on the Go. It was actually a project wherein I asked for 1 peso for a lot of grocery items. Kasi wala na pong libre ngayon. Wala pong dole out. Hindi po ako naniniwala sa tulong na dole out. You give me a peso and I'll give you a basket of grocery at mga pwedeng kainin sa hapagkainan. It was no longer about position or power, but the humanity asked to care for human lives. And I know that you have also initiated similar efforts to help our countrymen. You have a lot of outreach projects and programs, and I know it all came from your heart. Sabi nga nila, pag ikaw ay Rotarian, hindi ka mayabang, hindi ka lang, pero maporma ka sa pagdadamit. Kasi ang tatay ko po at nanay ko, tuwing may Rotary event, pinaghahandaan po talaga. Because they wanted it to be beautiful by themselves, to the people that they've been talking to, and to dealing with and engaging with. Because I really see that in every heart of a Rotarian, there is always a beauty in you. Ngayon, ang San Jose del Monte na dati ay kilala bilang relokasyon, dahil ako po ay taga-lungsod ng San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, at nagnanais magkaroon ng highly urbanized city. Hindi po ito para sa akin, bagkus sa aming mga mahirap na kababayan. Dati po, relokasyon kami. Kinakatakutan ang aming lungsod. Pero ngayon, kami po ay destinasyon na. Ang dating liblib at madilim na lugar ay simbolo ng liwanag at pag-asa, lalo nitong katatapos lang ng aming 8th Langlawan Festival na nakapaloob po sa 23 years of our Foundation Day. Who would have thought that our humble city is now a livable and sustainable city, a viable candidate to be a highly urbanized city? Maaaring may magsabi ng hindi, pero ang sa akin po ay, ito po ay lubos para sa mahihirap nating kababayan. And we will be adopting more of other towns pag kami po ay naging highly urbanized city na. It all started with a tiny seed of hope in our hearts. Mayor Art and I hope that you support this vision to spread hope within our city and the whole province of Bulacan. Buong lalawigan po ang boboto, kaya po si Mayor Christian, talagang kapatid, tulungan mo naman ang ate mo. At si Mayor Christian, kahit po late, palagay ko darating po yun. Nandiyan po yung kanyang mami. Palagay ko, alam naman niya na laging late yung anak niya. But he's my brother. He's like a brother to me, and he said yes to us. Maraming salamat, Mayor Christian Natividad. Far from detaching San Jose del Monte from Bulacan, we will always still be a Bulaqueño. Ang aming nga pong bid to become a HUC is something that we Bulacanos can be truly proud of. Hindi rin po totoo na pag wala na kami sa Bulacan, ay hindi po kami Bulakenyo. We will always be a Bulakenyo. Owing to proximity of CSJDBM to other component cities and municipalities of Bulacan, the boost of economic activities, development of infrastructure, and improvement in the quality of public services in CSJDM will spill over to neighboring local government units or LGUs of Bulacan. Ang San Jose del Monte ay mananatiling bukas para sa lahat ng Bulakenyo dahil walang iwanan patungo sa pagbabago. As the darkness of the pandemic lifts, we see the blaze of hope in people like you, my dear Rotarians. Magaganda, pogi na mga guests, glamorosa, sexy. Nandiyan si Rina, sexy. Men and women who are willing to go out their way and think outside the box to make our world a better place and help our country rise from the blows of the pandemic. And I'm also proud to have a very good friend, Justice Tess, na nag-imbita po sa akin. Thank you so much po. The Rotary emblem symbolizes the power that drives the will towards progress, inclusivity, and sustainability. Each of us represents spokes that keep the wheel turning. Kagaya nga po ng sinabi, kanina po ni Judge Biday, ako po ay isang imakulatan, isang tahimik, mahiyain, pero umikot po ang mundo. Nakita ko po ang aking sarili. At ako po ay nasa ikatlong termino ng aking paglilingkod. Let us not underestimate the power of hope in our hearts. When I was young, I remember when I was studying at Immaculate Academy of Malolos, I've seen Joy, I've seen Hazel, and other few faces that I really know from my alma mater. I would always remember that all of us are being trained so well to face people. But of course, with discipline in our hearts. Maybe that is the reason why member nyo rin po sila sa Rotary. True hope dies the last. Truly, hope dies the last. Huwag po tayong mawala ng pag-asa sa laban natin sa magandang bukas. And of course, bago po ako magtapos, tapos na po yung aking speech. 2 pahina. Actually, it's 4 pages, but I had it cut kasi nga, sabi ko, hindi na uuso ngayon yung mahabang speech. But I really have to talk to you in a way that I'm very thankful for you guys have invited me. Mabuhay po kayong lahat, and a pleasant good evening to each and everyone.
Blackpink in your area. Bad girl, I know I am, and I'm so hot, I need a fan. I don't wanna walk, I need a man. Bad girl, I know I am, and I'm so hot, I need a fan. I don't wanna walk, I need a man. 난 지금 네가 좋아. 정말 반했어. 오늘 밤 너와 춤추고 싶어. Say what? 봄바야. 야야야 봄바야. 야야야 봄바야. 야야야야야. Boom boom ba, boom boom ba, oppa. Yeah 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 yeah. Yeah 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 yeah. Yeah 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 yeah. Boom boom ba, boom ba yeah. Blackpink in your area. Blackpink in your area.
어쩐기만 남기고 갔단다. 어쩐기만 남기고 갔단다.
I'm so high, 난 너무 예뻐요. I'm so fine, 난 너무 매력있어. I'm so cool, 난 너무 멋져. I'm so I'm so high, 난 너무 예뻐요. I'm so fine, 난 너무 매력있어. I'm so cool, 난 너무 멋져. Blackpink in your area. This beat got me feeling like I bring the pain like this that pink venom, this that pink venom, this that pink venom. Get 'em, get 'em, get 'em. Straight till you don't like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Straight till you don't like, Taste that pink venom, taste that pink venom, taste that pink venom. Get 'em, get 'em, get 'em. Straight till you don't like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Straight till you don't like, I bring the pain like 나는 solo 던진 나만 청순 가련 스친 반짝 이젠 지쳤나 귀찮아 You got me like 내게 미안하지만 I'm not sorry 나부터 나 Bitch 나는 solo Bitch, 나는 solo. I'm going solo, la 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 la. I'm going solo, la 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 la. Blackpink is the revolution, revolution, revolution. We like to party. 들고 별이 들면 춤추는 party. 끝이 없이 달려보자. We like to. Let's go, girls. Wanna have some fun? We go dum dum dum. Yeah, girls. Wanna have some one, one, one. Girls wanna have some fun. We go dum dum dum. Yeah, girls wanna have some fun. We go dum dum dum. Let's go. What's a bum bum? 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 Forever young. Forever young. Take us to revolution. Forever young. Take us to revolution. Blackpink is the revolution.
It has been a great honor and privilege to serve as the 23rd President of the Rotary Club of Malolos Sias for Rotary Year 2022-2023. At first, just like any other incoming president, I was hesitant to accept the position because it would mean leading a club of 61 Hias women, all alpha females, beautiful, intelligent, independent, and service-oriented women. Every time that I would express my doubt and fears, the members would always assure me that the year would go by very quickly. Surprisingly, I breezed through my term relatively unscathed. The theme during my term was Imagine Rotary. And I did not imagine that this chapter of my life will be the most rewarding, challenging, exciting, sobering, ego-pumping, humbling, and enriching experience. The club received 15 plaques and 4 certificates of recognition and was hailed as top 3 performing club in District 3770 because of the overwhelming support and trust of all the members of this club and the guidance and direction given by imaginative district officers headed by past District Governor Marcelino Noli S. Garcia Jr. Thank you very much po, sir. Maraming pong salamat sa mga millennials, the so-called controllers, and of course, to Team Marupok for being with me during my term.
Grabe.
Thank you very much po. However, these awards are merely secondary to what truly matters. Creating meaningful and genuine friendships while rendering service above self. That if we only keep these things in mind and heart as our reasons for becoming a Rotarian, nothing, no one, nobody can put this great and phenomenal club down. Tama po ba? Tama. Ano yun, Kiss? Kiss, sino? I am now passing the baton to President Maridet Dechi M. Valenton. And I am very confident that she will do a great job in leading the club in creating hope in the world. 2.5 months pa lang po, pero puro pasabog na. Kaya ngayon pa lang, congratulations, President Dechi. Once again, I'm very grateful for this wonderful Rotary year and for this great opportunity to serve our club. Mabuhay ang Rotary Club of Malolos Sias! Maraming pong salamat.
Tiny moments filled with golden, perfect weekends. I could dream all night. We don't need a lot of money. I am richer with you by my side. Yeah, we live it right. things, all of the little things. Hands up in the sky, it's all gonna be alright. It's just the little things, all of the little things in life that make me feel alive. Oh, 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 oh. Love the little things, love the little things. Oh, 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 oh. Love the little things, love the little things.
I would like to congratulate Imaginative President Judge Butchik for a very masayang term last year. So everything went on a breeze, gaya nga ng sabi niya. Dahil masaya kaming ginagawa yung every project. Kaya congratulations. These are the pins and the teams from all the Rotary year. Ayan. Okay.
So we are witnessing the turnover of presidency from President Butchik Botigan Santos to President Dechi Valenton.
I,
I,
state your name,
Maridet Mangulabnan Valenton,
having been duly elected as president
having been duly elected as president
of the Rotary Club of Malolos, Hiyas,
of the Rotary Club of Malolos, Hiyas,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will discharge faithfully,
that I will discharge faithfully,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
the duties and responsibilities of my position,
the duties and responsibilities of my position,
that I will abide by and uphold
that I will abide by and uphold
the Constitution and bylaws
the Constitution and bylaws
of Rotary International
of Rotary International
and that of my club,
and that of my club,
ever putting into practice
ever putting into practice
Rotary's motto,
Rotary's motto,
service above self,
service above self,
and that I will promote this year's theme,
and that I will promote this year's theme,
create hope in the world.
create hope in the world.
All this I willingly pledge
All this I willingly pledge
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Creating Hope President Maridet Dechi M. Valenton.
Oath of office. I state your name. Having been duly elected as state your position of the Rotary Club of Malolos, Hiyas, do hereby solemnly swear that I will discharge faithfully, to the best of my ability, the duties and responsibilities of my position, that I will abide by and uphold the Constitution and bylaws of Rotary International and that of my club, ever putting into practice Rotary's motto, service above self, and that I will promote this year's theme, create hope in the world. All this I willingly pledge, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations. I stand before you today with a deep sense of honor as the new president of our esteemed Rotary Club of Malolos Hias. I am immensely grateful for the trust and confidence you have placed in me to lead this remarkable organization. Alam niyo po, minsan na po ako nag-decline. 2 years ago, ako na po sana yung susunod. It was pandemic time. Nag-decline po ako dahil mahirap po talaga ang state ng lahat ng bagay, especially yung mga business. So pinayagan naman din ako. Okay. This year po, nilagay po nila ako, hindi pa rin pinakawalan, nilagay po nila ako na PN. And then this year, nag-iisip na po talaga ako ng i-reason ko ulit kung paano ako ulit magde-decline. Sa totoo lang po, ang talagang reason ko ay hindi po ako ganon ka-confident and nai-intimidate po talaga ako sa mga kamiyembro ko. Kasi po, alam ko po na mga malalaki at bigating mga tao yung mga members namin. Kala ko po kakainin ako. Saka iniisip ko po talaga, natatakot po ako kasi baka hindi ko kaya. And so, 5 days before July 1, I received a call. Wala po kasi ako dito. I received a call na ako na daw po. 5 days before July 1. So, talaga pong it was a shock of my life. Previously, meron na pong isang surprise at setback sa family namin. And we were really down. Kaya po talagang sabi ko, sa susunod na yung Rotary, dito muna ako magfo-focus. Okay. Nung habang nakabakasyon ako, hindi ko po alam tinitingnan ko yung beach. Hindi ko po alam, lagi pong nag-LSS sa akin, yung song ni Moana. It calls me. So, tumawag po sa akin yung mga members and inassure po ako. After that, naging madali na po. Talaga pong sobrang pasasalamat ko at feel ko po ang suporta ng bawat isang member po namin. Pinalakas niyo po yung loob ko. Kala ko po talaga hindi possible na ako po ay mag-lead among these esteemed women of Malolos, ang Hias women. And today, na eto na po tayo, again, ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa trust at sa suporta ng bawat isa. Together this year, ang call of action ko po sa lahat, let's do this one project at a time. And may nagsabi po sa akin, yung charter president po ng Hias, sabi niya po, i-dedicate mo lang ang bawat project na gagawin mo para sa family mo, and the rest will go well. Yun po yung tinatandaan ko. So sa bawat project na ginagawa namin, dinededicate ko po sa lahat ng members namin and syempre to my family. Yan lang po. Salamat po.
Before I go on with the charging, permit me to take a little bit of your time trying to motivate, trying to further inform you of what Rotary is all about. But I would like to call on Governor Corina, because she told me that I should not take more than 10 to 15 minutes. So, Corins, feel free to unplug the microphone just in case I go over my time. You know, I purposely tried to get all your call names or your nicknames before I came to the stage. Because in Rotary, the first thing I would like to tell you is try to break all barriers between Rotarians. So the moment you start learning to call each other by your first names, the better it will be. Remember, tayo naman puro taga Bulacan, walang matanda sa Rotary. Meron lang nakaiedad at meron lang nakababata. Yun lang. But honestly, try to eliminate all barriers, and that will be your first big step to truly enjoying Rotary. You know, I always say the occasion for the induction of members is truly one all Rotarians cherish. And it is because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One is not around, no? So there are 9 additional pairs of shoulders that will help carry the burden. 9 additional shoulders, pairs of shoulders that will help carry the burden. Medyo parang mabigat yon. Pero what we have is 9 additional lady Rotarians who will enjoy the joys of service, share the joys of service, and that is more important. Remember tonight, September 11, 2023, in the beautiful hotel of Okada, in front of a group of Rotarians all dressed in beautiful black gowns. If this were a road trip, make those your landmarks so that in the future, you can look back to something. Remember September 11? Remember Okada? Remember the black gowns? You can even remember the very sumptuous food and the beautiful dance that your fellow members did. Were you included in that already? Not yet, no? Insist that next year when they dance, you're already part of it, okay? But try to remember that if it were a road trip as a landmark, because these are the things that you can look back to when you start your Rotary journey. And remember, you are not joining just any club. You are joining or you are going to be inducted to the Rotary Club of Malolos Hias. Narinig niyo ba yung description ng inyong mga past presidents? Creme de la creme. The high, all the descriptions of a high, not high level of society, but a high, what do you call that? A high kind of service that the Rotary Club of Malolos Hias does for the community. That is the challenge to all of you as prospective or new members. The sooner you're able to get into the groove of things, the better it will be for you. I will only leave you, well, before that, There are a few things in Rotary, I'm not going to explain it, but try to remember. Try to remember Rotary's motto, service above self. You already know that. Try to remember the four-way test. We recited that earlier. Try to live by that in the things that you say and do. Okay? Try to remember the 5 avenues of service. Your club service so that you can really participate in your club. Vocational service, all of you were introduced earlier with a particular classification that you're supposed to represent. It is your primary obligation to practice those vocations, business, or professions in the highest form of ethical standards. Try to remember international service. It is your obligation also to be able to make the world a better world to live in. And try to remember our obligation to the youth. And then Rotary normally is identified as one that does community service, right? Are you all from Malolos? More or less, no? Yeah. Maybe some got married to a Maloleño, maybe some are doing business in Malolos. But most of you probably have heard of Dr. Benny Santos. He became a director of Rotary International. And one of the most famous quote of Dr. Benny is that, remember that Rotary is service and fellowship. One without the other, that's not Rotary. Service and fellowship, because service without fellowship, that's boring. Because you're going to be shelling out, you're going to be spending time. If there's no fellowship, that's boring. But fellowship without service is a luxury that we Rotarians cannot afford. So try to remember service and fellowship. And try to do it with all your fellow Rotarians, initially in Malolos IAS, eventually with all the 1,200,000 Rotarians of the world. And remember, service and fellowship should come from the heart. It should come from the heart. If you're going to engage in fellowship with all the barriers, with all the marites and everything else, it's not going to be enjoyable. If you're going to do service and fellowship, not really knowing what Rotary is all about, and then you'll be going into something that you don't truly understand. No? But after you get to know about the details of Rotary, try to imbibe the true Rotary spirit. Because just like love, it's not really what you just do. It's more the feeling that you have in whatever we do, di ba? So try to imbibe that Rotary spirit, and I'm sure September 11, I'm sure Okada, I'm sure your black gown, and I'm sure because you are joining one of the premier clubs, not only of the district, but of the whole Rotary world, I'm sure today is your most significant and enjoyable day in your journey in Rotary. Nakatulong ba yon? Kahit pa ano, nakatulong.
Baby Rotarians, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Having been duly accepted as member of the Rotary Club of Malolos IAS, do hereby solemnly swear that I will discharge faithfully, to the best of my ability, the duties and responsibilities of my membership. that I will abide by and uphold the Constitution and bylaws of Rotary International and that of my club, ever putting into practice Rotary's motto, service above self. All this I willingly pledge without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations po and welcome to Rotary.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. The new district governor may no longer need any introduction to many, as he has been actively participating in district events in the recent years. But where do we start introducing a man so accomplished and yet has kept his personality well grounded? How do you introduce a man so successful and yet has never forgotten to give back and share his blessings? How do you put words on his character when, despite having to help many, has never spoken of his contributions? Such a man hails from the foothills of Sierra Madre in Barangay Bungo, Gapan, Nueva Ecija. Born and raised not in a sprawling ranch, but in a muddy rice field that his family tended. He was able to finish his basic education in the same area while plying the tricycle route so that the family could make both ends meet. College life was far from being a walk in the park, despite literally walking daily at the Luneto Park to work as a janitor in the National Library. From there, he has finished college with a degree in Bachelor of Science in Customs Administration from PMI College, while working his way up the ladder to become the budget officer of the National Library. After serving a brokerage firm for 3 years as general manager in 1993, he started his own freight company that operates nationwide up to this day. So successful, it stemmed into several other endeavors, including a brokerage firm, manpower agency, candle factory, and a farm resort, to name a few. These companies, under his leadership, never fails to give back by way of corporate social responsibilities that resulted numerous philanthropic works and constructions. On the home front, he is very involved in the community development by becoming the Homeowners Association president, not only in his own area, but in the whole city of May Kawayan. An esteemed member of the Free and Accepted Mason of the Philippines, he still finds time in his favorite passion by becoming a champion practical shooter during his younger years. He became a Rotarian in the latter part of 2013 and became the president in Rotary year 2015-2016. It may just be a coincidence that during his term, the theme is "Be a gift to the world," because that is what he truly is. To date, he has served Rotary under many district positions and has attended international conventions in Kota Kinabalu, Indonesia, in Seoul, Korea, in Atlanta, Georgia, and Florida, USA. Happily married to his wife, Merle, they jointly cherished their 3 children, Ephraim, Elaine, and Emmy Ruth, along with their grandchildren in their humble abode in Bagbagin, Maykawayan City. Fellow Rotarians, friends, and guests, it is an honor and privilege to introduce to you District Governor Rodolfo Rudy D.C. Enriquez.
To our Hope Creating President, Marianette Dechi M. Balintaon, the Honorable Florida Rida F. Robes, Representative of the Lone District of San Jose del Monte City, past and future governors, district officers, fellow Rotarians and guests, a pleasant and blessed evening to all of us. Before I start, I would like to extend my warmest greeting to our imaginative President, Maria Cristina Butchik Santos, for her outstanding accomplishment and achievement during her term of office. I would like also to pay homage and raise my hat to all the members and past president of the Rotary Club of Malolos Sias for their crucial and indispensable role in forming and creating the club as it is today. I would like also to commend our hope-creating president, Dechi Belenton, for her courage as she takes on the challenge of serving the club and the community. Tonight, we celebrate a joyous occasion for the Rotary Club of Malolos Sias as they celebrate its 24th handover and induction ceremonies. As your district governor, it is my responsibility to inform you and to relate to you the plans and programs of the district in accordance with the trust of Rotary International President Gordon McInally. In his team address, 4 of the main programs he emphasized refers to continuing the project and programs of the past leadership. Our predecessors have done incredible things for the sake of our district and our community. It is now our task to strengthen this program in order to create an even greater results. First, the woman empowerment. In the past few years, the Rotary has been emphasizing and working towards equality. It is high time that we become champion of all genders and promote equality among all citizens, especially the women. Second, empowering Rotaract. Ever since the Rotaract was established, we have seen so much potential in them that they will become great leaders. It is our task to ensure the continued support and collaboration between the Rotaract and the Rotary. Third, promoting the diversity, equity, and inclusion. It is very important, most especially in this age, that we make the Rotary an open and inclusive organization. We must erase any form of hatred or discrimination so that we may be able to recognize brilliant minds and welcome more amazing people. Let us all be reminded that it will be difficult for us to keep an open mind if our hearts are bound by unfriendly boundaries. Fourth, eradicating polio. This still remains as one of the top priority of our RI President. We have done so much in the furtherance of this project, but we could do so much more. According to the RI President Gordon McInally, only one of every 12 Rotarians currently gives to the Polio Plus campaign. If we will strive and work to encourage donation from more members, we will be able to gather more funds and thus more opportunities to create lasting change in the world. I would like also to emphasize one of the things McInally said in his speech that really reached out to my heart. He said, "Peace is the soil where hope takes root." It is so pleasant to hear, but it will be even more beautiful if we all learn to take that into our hearts. My dear hope-creating team, let us all become vessels of peace and unity. In Proverbs chapter 14, verse 30, it is stated, "A heart at peace gives life to the body, but in vain rots the bone." Let us first cultivate peace in ourselves, then in our clubs and in our district, so that it may overflow in all of our works. Through this, we will be able to create an environment where people are free to hope and have a better life. Another main point we have given much weight is a mental health issue. According to the Department of Health, at least 3.6 million Filipinos suffer from at least one kind of mental health disorder. We are still recovering from the effect of the COVID-19, and a lot of people lost their job, or students who were forced to leave school are still suffering from this illness. In the words of the former President of the United States of America, Bill Clinton, mental illness is nothing to be ashamed of, but stigma and bias shame us all. We must endeavor to end the stigma, to become the voice of the voiceless, and to create programs that will directly address the said issue. We are also highly encouraged to formulate projects to address environmental problems. In relation to this, last July 1st, 2023, our district launched a kickoff project of planting mangroves and giant bamboo to support the global response to the threat of climate change. The Rotary year 2023-2024 is indeed a blessed year for us. In the history of our district, we have the largest designated fund for this year, which was a result of the collected TRF annual fund during the time of the transforming team under the leadership of past District Governor Dindo Birino. Because of this, we're thinking of a new project for a global grant. This year, we will embrace progressive change. We will aim to form partnership with South Korea and Taiwan. Despite the enormity of the task ahead of us, this can be done. For the words of Helen Keller, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. With that, let us create hope in the world to achieve the lasting change in ourselves and in our district. Mabuhay ang Rotary International and mabuhay ang District 3770. Good evening po.
Natunghayan po ninyo ang napakagandang programa ng Rotary Club of Malolos, Hiyas. Kaya kinakabahan na po ako para sa aking sarili sa susunod na taon. Pray sure. Ito ay hinatid sa atin ng ating pinakamaganda ngayong gabi at pinakamakinang sa kanyang kabutihan ng kalooban ang ating Pangulo, Dechi. Maraming salamat sa pagdadala mo sa amin dito sa Okada, Manila na napakabongga. Napakabongga, kinakabahan na naman ako. Alam ko pong gustong-gusto pa ninyong makita ang aming mga nagagandahan at nagkikinangang mga miyembro, subalit kinakailangan na po naming magpasalamat. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga district officers na nagsidalo ngayong gabi sa pangungutan ng ating district governor, Rudy Enriquez. Sa aming mga guest club, maraming salamat at nasisiyahan kayo dyan sa likod sa pagtunghay sa mga Blackpink na pagsasayaw ng aming mga miyembro. At salamat sa suporta ng aming lahat ng miyembro na nandirito ngayon. Ang tanging na lamang naming panalangin ay ang inyong 100% na suporta upang aming maipagpatuloy so that we may continue to create hope in the world. With that, God bless Rotary Club of Malolos Hiyas. Thank you all.
I now call the 24th installation of officers and induction of new members now adjourned.
Little things, little things. Oh, 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 oh. Love, little things. Love, little things. Oh, I'm gonna hold you while I can. Oh, I'm gonna take the whole world in. I got 2 feet on the ground, head flying in the clouds. It's just the little things, all of the little things. Hands up in the sky, it's all gonna be alright.